Hello. Hi. This is SADMAC controller GC1202 We provide repair services of this controller. Earlier, this controller was white screen on the display. Nothing was reflecting. No, this was non-operational, and we have repaired it, and now it is working well. So, let me share with you how to calibrate this controller after repairing it. So firstly, you need to put 12-volt supply to this connector, the negative and positive, and then you can simply drag it down to check other functions, to see other functions. And furthermore to it, you can enter this programming calibration mode, you can say calibration mode of this controller by pressing auto and stop button. Press start for right function. Firstly, one need to select profile, like we select for a new controller. So after repair also you need to select the profile. Let us select the 10 kVA, and after pressing same keys we can come out of it and then start to confirm, and then we can again enter the controller programming mode. Password is 0123, and then module we can get into general settings. There's language and deep sleep mode. These functions are there. To display, we can increase the contrast and others. The communication usually not needed if you are not connected to RS485 port or 232 port. Inputs, this is important. So input and output both are important. You can monitor these functions, like lube oil pressure. What action will it take when lube oil pressure is high or low? It is shut down. It will show a warning, or it will shut down the generator. Then is temperature monitor. Then is fuel level monitor. Then is water level monitor. So these all functions are there, and which input to which input function to adjust according to the parameter here. Digital input A. This is A, B, C, like these inputs. So which which input do you wanna configure on these ports? You can adjust it here. This is a low fuel level switch is there, and to B, emergency stop is there. So here you can see, you can adjust, you can calibrate these LOP and temperature settings here. This is input. Then is output A, what to configure at output A, what output B, output C, output D. You can adjust it here. It is disabled in this. For B, it is the B will give a command to start relay. Output 12-volt output will come from here, 12-volt positive. To stop solenoid C, and to D, close genset, close mains controller contactor. Here it is output functions, and then timers, generator. You can select the voltage phase selection here. Alternator configuration, 4 poles, 3 phase system. You can select it. You can do it 1 phase here, or to select 3 phase here. So this is to then mains, engine, crank disconnect. How many attempts will it take? Like these settings for cranking, and for speed monitoring, for battery monitoring, what alarm will come at when low voltage is low, battery voltage is low, after how much time this alarm will come. You can configure all this here. And maintenance governor, you can configure your governor here. This controller is supporting governor, so you can select your governor here, actuator speed and directions, anti-clockwise, clockwise. ID active profile, you can see, you can change. If you furthermore, if you want to change this profile you have selected earlier, you can do it here by pressing start button, and by going up with the up key. Usually these controllers support from 5 kVA to 82.5 kVA ratings of genset. So yes, so here we can come out of it now, and this is all. If you need repair service of these controllers, any of the SADMAC or Cummins controller, you may reach us on below mentioned mobile number. Thank you.